Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You already have power and the app. Now begin. Open the Tuya Smart app and tap the plus to add a device. Choose Doorbell or Doorbell Wi-Fi and select 4 GHz network. Enter password carefully. Put the doorbell into pairing if it stopped. Press and hold the button until the LED flashes or you hear the tone. Once done, the app will search for the device. Make sure your phone remains on the same Wi-Fi and close other apps to speed discovery. You may hit a snag in the middle. Here's how to proceed. When the app asks, grant location and Bluetooth so the phone can discover the doorbell and exchange credentials. Choose Easy mode for most Tuya devices. Switch to AP mode if Easy times out. AP mode requires connecting to the doorbell's temporary Wi-Fi hotspot and pasting the network info manually. Watch the LED. A fast blink shows active pairing. A change to slow or solid indicates successful connection, so don't interrupt power yet. You're near the end. Complete setup and verify functions. Once the device appears, rename it and set preferences, motion sensitivity, notification schedule, and chime volume. Test live view and two-way talk to ensure audio direction and latency are acceptable. Make sure push notifications arrive. Mount the unit only after confirming video and alerts. If pairing fails, reset the doorbell per manufacturer steps, reboot the router, and retry on 4 GHz.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.